Hi, this is Doug Dane. You're never going to change your mind. This is a tip from my book, Mistaken Identity. And I'm here to try to change your mind each day about how you see yourself, how you see your story, your opinion of yourself, because I think most people have a mistaken identity and it holds them back. It distorts the truth about who you really are, and it distorts what you're able to do and how you're able to live your life. And so I'm hopefully here today that I can change your mind. So what am I talking about that you can't change your mind? Listen, no book, no video, no YouTube video, no social media post, no seminar, no guru, no speaker, no coach. Nobody can change your mind. Only you can change your mind. But if you want to change your life, you're going to have to change your mind. And so a great thing that I heard from one of my mentors was, don't accept what I say, don't reject what I say, and definitely don't neglect what I say. And so what we've got to do is we want to change our life. So if you want your life to get better with your relationships, maybe you've got conflict in your life at home or at work, or maybe just you're not feeling good physically. And primarily, if you're not feeling good physically, it's because you don't feel good internally or feel very good about yourself or your story or your situation that got you to where you are, or mistakes you've made in the past. Guilt and resentment and shame are terrible emotions that we continue to carry around because we were taught to literally drag them around. And so we got all these things that are impacting our life. We're mistaken about a lot. We're mistaken about things we believe. We're mistaken about values that we cherish and hold dear. And you only hold dear to them because you've been holding on to them for so long, and you think they're true because you were told they're true, and so you're very difficult to change their mind or change your mind about it. I was talking to somebody today about all the weight they're carrying around and all the responsibility, and what they truly believe is what they're supposed to do as a spouse, as a parent, as a adult child of a parent, etc. And it's really bogging them down and dragging them down, and that's just wrong. And they're struggling, and they shouldn't have to struggle. And so we have to change our mind. Now, nobody likes to be changed. You don't want me to change you, and I can't change you. But we don't mind change. In fact, we don't mind change at all. But we don't want to be changed. But the only way to change your life is you've got to change your mind. You got to change what you believe. You got to change your personal standards. You got to change your mind about worrying what people are gonna think or say or do. You got to change the way you operate with your mind. You got to stop worrying about the future, predicting the future, controlling the future, because you can't. It'll drive you crazy. It creates anxiety, which creates depression, which creates you marching off to the doctor to get pills or therapy. You're causing your own anxiety in most cases. Now, maybe you're causing chronic stress because you're so hard on yourself, and you give yourself such a hard time that it causes stress in your body and causes stress in your life and in your results. You are mistaken about certain things. You're definitely mistaken about how you see yourself. You're definitely mistaken about if I had you score yourself in certain areas of your life, or strengths and weaknesses, and you're definitely mistaken about how you see yourself because of your mistakes from your past that you would have never made if your past was different, or if you were raised different, or treated different, or conditioned different, or believed in different things. Man, oh man, it'll drive you crazy punishing yourself for mistakes that you made, you would have never made, you shouldn't have made, if some mistakes weren't made when you were growing up. So if you're not prepared to change your mind, then don't buy a book, don't read an email, don't watch a video, don't take a course, don't hire a coach, don't get a mentor, don't go through any programs or anything like that. You may as well just relax, calm down, take some stress off yourself, and just accept your life as it is, and go with that. I think that's a hell of a lot easier than putting all this strain and stress on yourself if you're not willing to change your mind. Because if you're not willing to change your mind, then nothing's going to change. So don't waste your time forcing change on yourself if you're not willing to change. And that's the bottom line. Hope you have a good day. Thank you.